Hello and welcome. Are you navigating the complex world of human resources across borders? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic. What are the challenges of global HR compliance? As businesses continue to expand into new markets, understanding and managing HR compliance on a global scale has never been more vital. In this guide, we'll explore key challenges and provide insights to help you effectively manage HR compliance worldwide. Challenge 1. Navigating diverse legal frameworks. The first major challenge of global HR compliance is dealing with diverse legal frameworks. Each country has its own unique set of labor laws, ranging from employee rights and benefits to payroll regulations and taxation. To stay compliant, HR professionals must work diligently to understand these differences and ensure their business practices align with local laws. Consulting with local legal experts and continually updating policies can help bridge legal gaps and prevent costly compliance. Challenge 2. Managing cultural differences. Cultural differences present another significant challenge. HR policies that align perfectly in one country might not fit as well in another due to cultural expectations and values. For instance, workplace communication styles, holiday observances, and work-life balance expectations can vary significantly. To navigate this, HR teams must be culturally sensitive and adaptable, training local managers to lead with empathy and inclusiveness. Building a flexible company culture can enhance employee satisfaction and improve compliance. Challenge 3. Ensuring data privacy and security. Data privacy and security are increasingly crucial in today's digital age. With regulations like the GDPR in Europe and various other privacy laws worldwide, HR departments must rigorously protect employee data across borders. This includes implementing secure data management systems and ensuring all data handling complies with the relevant legal requirements of each jurisdiction. Regular audits and employee training on data security best practices can mitigate risks and bolster compliance. Challenge 4. Keeping up with regulatory changes. Lastly, staying on top of regulatory changes is a perpetual challenge in global HR compliance. Laws and regulations are continually evolving, often with little notice. HR must keep a constant eye on potential changes and proactively adjust policies and procedures. Subscribing to legal updates, fostering strong relationship with local compliance experts, and using compliance management software can streamline this process and ensure timely response to regulatory shifts. Tackling the challenges of global HR compliance is no small feat, but it is essential for any business operating internationally. By understanding and addressing the diverse legal framework, cultural differences, data security requirements, and ever-changing regulations, HR teams can navigate these complexities more effectively. Prioritizing continuous learning and local partnerships can significantly bolster your organization's global compliance strategy. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, overcoming these challenges not only ensures compliance, but also paves the way for global success. Until next time, keep thriving in the world of global HR.